What if the thing that you're trying to hold together right now is actually meant to fall apart? And what if the no that you're resisting is the first contraction of something entirely new being? Let's pull today's 3 cards. My name is Monique, and I help women activate their future selves. You can connect with me live and in person each week at my Oracle Hour, and you can sign up in the description of this video. This is 3 cards in 3 minutes where we pull Oracle cards and turn them into practical guidance you can use in your everyday life. Card number 1 is no, wait, postpone, pause, say no. We've gotten this card before. Do you remember? We got this card earlier this week. It's not saying never. It's not saying failure. It's not saying rejection. It's just telling you to pause. If something feels forced, if you feel rushed, if your body feels tight instead of expanded, this card is permission for you to stop pushing. You are conditioned to believe momentum equals success, but it's actually alignment that creates sustainable momentum. Where today do you need to say, not yet, I need more clarity, or this doesn't feel right? Sometimes your future self is built by the no's that you are brave enough to say. Card number 2 is the crumbling. What are you clinging on to? This is where it gets real. This card asks, what are you gripping onto so tightly that your knuckles are actually white? An identity, a relationship dynamic, a business model, an old version of yourself. If it feels unstable, it may not be breaking you. It may be breaking for you. We cling because it feels safer to control that than to trust the unknown. But what if the thing falling apart is actually clearing the foundation? What if this isn't destruction? What if it's renovation? I want you to ask yourself honestly, what would happen if I stopped trying to hold all of this together? Card number 3 is birthing a new age, dreaming a new world into being. This is creation energy. This is future self energy. This is you stepping into a version of yourself that does not cling to what's crumbling. She collaborates with what is emerging. Birth is messy, it's uncomfortable, and it requires surrender, but it also requires space. You cannot birth something new while you're gripping onto something old. So maybe today's message is a bit simple. Say no to what feels forced. Let what is crumbling crumble, and trust that you are in the middle of creating something more aligned than you can currently see. Your future self is not built by control. She is built by courage, and she is built by surrender. If this resonated with you, I want to invite you to dive deeper with me. Join my free 7-day future self activation adventure. It's designed to help you release what's misaligned and step into the version of you that's already waiting. You can sign up at the link in the description. And if you want live guidance and personal Oracle card pulls, you can join me for my Oracle Hour each week. I would love to see you there. Tell me in the comments which card resonated with you the most today, and I'll see you tomorrow for another 3 cards in 3 minutes.